Having a clear business plan and strategy in place so that you know the direction you want your business to go is one step in the process of reaching your goals as a business owner. When you take these strategies and you develop milestones for each of them, you'll be crystal clear on your next steps to success. Creating your business milestones will help you deepen your understanding of the process to reach and take action on each of the strategies in your business plan. Every milestone you complete brings you forward to accomplishing your overall progress of implementing your strategies in your business. Knowing the exact path and actions that you need to take to reach and move on to the next milestone helps you stay the course of your overall business strategies. By reviewing and monitoring your business strategies and milestones, you'll know if changes need to be made or if additional milestones are needed. Your milestones, like many other areas of your business, are not set in stone and may need to be altered throughout your business, which allows you to quickly see any changes that may need to be done in your business and create the flexibility to pivot whenever necessary while keeping your overall strategy in place. In today's podcast episode, I'm helping you with the processes to create these milestones and decide when you should be reviewing them, as well as how to make changes so that your business can reach success in the most efficient and fastest way possible. It doesn't matter if you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Listen into today's podcast episode so that you know exactly where you should be adding milestones in your business. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business, and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Do you have a strategic plan for your business but lack the follow-through to reach your end goals? Most often, when you put your thoughts down on paper, whether in your business plan or a strategy plan, you lack the specifics you need to know when and how you can work through these strategies. This is why having milestones in your business is such an important detail that many business owners miss. By taking your plan and setting it in motion, you'll see the details and the exact next steps that you need to take to reach each individual milestone. This is where you can start measuring and seeing your progress. For each strategy you have, you'll want to make sure that you have your milestones set in place as well. When you're creating your milestones, make sure that you set clear expectations so that you know when you've completed a milestone, as well as how much effort, resources, and money it will take to complete each milestone. This means that for each milestone, you will need to have a clear description of what needs to be done, when it's scheduled to be completed, and how much it will cost to achieve the milestone. Each milestone should be assigned to a person responsible. This person can monitor the process, and the milestones should be reviewed periodically. During the review of the milestones, it's essential to see where you may need to focus more of your efforts on so that you can stay on track. You may also find that you need to change your milestones if you find any problems or new opportunities or possibilities that may come up in your business. Let's take, for example, you're currently running your business on your own and doing all of the work. You may have a milestone in your business to hire and train a staff member. For this milestone, you would want to create a solid description of this milestone, being as specific as possible as to the staff member that you'll hire and train first in your business. You'll want to list which responsibilities this person would have in your business, when you'd like to hire this person, and how much you're willing to pay for this new employee. You'll also want to include any training that's necessary for this individual so that they are fully trained and ready to fully execute this position when they're ready. You'll also need to add a due date for when you'd like to hire this individual and any due dates that revolve around the training that you want them to take so that they can completely take over these duties as of that specific date. By setting a budget amount, you'll also know exactly how much this milestone is going to cost you when it's fully executed. Having all of this information in place prior to even getting close to reaching the milestone will allow you to plan successfully so that you can reach the milestone without any surprises. As your business moves forward and changes, you could easily change the details in this milestone. For example, suppose you originally decided that you wanted to hire someone to do marketing for your business, but after a few months into your business, you decide your first employee should be someone to help you with office and bookkeeping tasks. In that case, you can easily change the details and you still have the milestone, which will help you reach your overall business strategy. Keep your milestones fluid. This means that you allow for changes whenever necessary. One of the biggest reasons that I see business owners hold back on creating any of their business plans or strategies is that they're often afraid that they're no longer able to make changes on them once they write them down. Most businesses are able to pivot on their original plans, which brings them much more success. This success often looks different from the original plans, so don't be afraid to change your plans. Just make sure that you're also changing your milestones to consistently reflect what you want your outcome to be. By breaking down your overall business plan and strategies, you may find risks and roadblocks that may not have been easily identifiable before setting each milestone. You want to make sure that each milestone is measurable and achievable. Much like a SMART goal, you want to make sure that you're setting yourself up and your milestones so that you know when you've accomplished each one. Map out your milestones so that you can clearly see the path that you need to take to achieve your results. If you need help with your business strategies and milestones, I'm here to help. As a certified public accountant, business strategist, and business coach, I help clients reach their next level of success. I work with business owners who feel overwhelmed, and we create simple processes so that they know exactly what their milestones are, the clear path that they need to take to get there, and I hold them accountable so that they can reach their milestones by the dates they originally intended. I'm inviting you to schedule a free consultation session where we can go over any questions that you have regarding your business strategies and milestones. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us and schedule a time that works well for you. During your consultation session, we'll also dig deep into where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. We'll also go over my Master Your Business Foundation diagnostic assessment so that you can fully understand the strengths in the foundation your business is built on. I only offer a few of these one-hour consultation sessions each week due to the time commitment, and I'm looking forward to talking with you soon. I'll post links to these and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. All right, to recap this episode. Number 1, you should have a strategic plan for your business, and you should be able to follow through to reach your end goals. Number 2, having milestones in your business will help you to make sure that you don't lack the specifics that you need to know when and how you can work through each of these strategies. By taking your plan and setting it in motion, you'll see the details and the exact steps that you need to take to reach each individual milestone. This is where you can start measuring and seeing your progress. Number 3, for each strategy you have, you'll want to make sure that you have your milestones set in place as well. When you're creating your milestones, make sure that you set clear expectations so that you know when you've completed a milestone, as well as how much effort, resources, and money it's going to take to complete each milestone. Number 4, each milestone should be assigned to a responsible individual who can monitor the process, and all of these milestones should be reviewed periodically. During this review, it's essential to see where you may need to focus more of your efforts on so that you can stay on track. You may also find that you need to change your milestones if you find any problems or new opportunities that may come up in your business. Number 5, keep your milestones fluid. This means that you allow for changes whenever necessary. Most businesses are able to pivot on their original plans, which brings them much more success. This success often looks different from the original plans, but don't be afraid to change your plans. Just make sure that you're also changing your milestones to consistently reflect on what you want your outcome to be. Number 6, by breaking down your overall business plan and your strategies, you may find risks and roadblocks that may not have been easily identifiable before setting each milestone. Number 7, You want to make sure that each milestone is measurable and achievable. Much like a SMART goal, you want to make sure that you're setting up your milestones so that you know you have accomplished each one. Number 8, map out your milestones so that you can clearly see the path that you need to take to achieve your results. Number 9, if you need help with your business strategies and milestones, I'm here to help. As a certified public accountant, business strategist, and business coach, I help clients reach their next level of success. I work with business owners who feel overwhelmed, and we create simple processes so that they know exactly what their milestones are, the clear path that they need to take to get there, and I hold them accountable so that they can reach their milestones by the date they originally intended. And I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you can take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.